Welcome to the Road Universe channel, your go-to spot for the best-selling car accessories on Amazon. To all our new subscribers, thank you. And if you haven't joined us yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss our latest finds. Want your car to turn heads without spending a fortune? Today I'm counting down Amazon mods that instantly upgrade your ride. From glowing wheels and underglow kits to dash cams, HUD displays, and the strongest phone mount you'll ever use. Let's level up your car in minutes. Number 10. Car tire wheel lights, 4-piece air valve. Number 9. GlowShift, Tinted 7, Color 30, PSI, Turbo Boost Jar Vacuum Gauge, Kit.
Boost gauge is designed to measure and display the amount of boost pressure being generated by the turbocharger in your vehicle's engine. EGT controls the exhaust gas temperatures, allowing you to control high temperatures that can cause engine damage. Water temp gives you visibility into the cooling system temperature so you can identify a risk before damage happens. GlowShift offers both analog and digital boost gauges, and depending on the model, you may have the option to customize the appearance of the gauge. GlowShift gauges are designed to be compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, and SUVs.
Number 8. Car door lights logo projector, Puddle lights.
The instructions, the install tool, and the box.
Now, I've installed a different set before previously, and they looked okay when they were new, but over time, they now look pretty awful. Now, I didn't install them on the rear, so these ones here are still factory. So in this case, I got a 4-pack, so I can do all 4 doors. Let's start here with one of the factory bulbs and just pry it out. It's going to pop down either from this side or from that side. I forget which, so we'll just kind of just test it and try to pop it out. It looks like this included pry tool here is pretty cheap. I was trying to pry it out and it just broke off the connector here at the tip of it. So in that case, I'll grab a better trim tool here. So let's pop out these other ones that I installed from some other random brand. Then we'll just unplug them here. And then we're going to plug in the new ones here like this. Then they'll slide and click right back into place. And these new ones definitely look way better, though I have noticed sometimes they look backwards, so I'm going to have to flip them around here. And luckily the cables are long enough here so I can just pull it out like that. And then I can just turn it around and install it here the other direction instead. And now they're reversed, and I think this looks way better here. Then we can do the same thing here for the rear puddle lights. We'll grab our trim tool here and then just pop out the old lights. Then we can plug in our new ones here and then lock them right back into place. And here is what the rears look like now here as well. So definitely a fan of the upgraded puddle lights. The trim tool piece itself is a little bit cheapy, but the lights themselves do seem to work pretty well, and hopefully they last for a long time here too. Taking a look at the projection in the daytime, I don't notice them there. They're really only going to work when it's darker or obviously at night. And when it's darker out, yeah, they look pretty awesome. Plus, my kids have been having fun with getting the puddle lights actually shining on their shoes.
Number 7. LED cup, holder lights, 2 pieces with 7 colors, luminescent light. Number 6. Headlight, taillight tint. Final wrap, dark smoke. Number 5. Underglow kit for car. LED underglow lights with app and remote control. Number 4. Heads-up display for cars. Digital GPS UD speedometer. Number 3. 12-volt refrigerator, 18-liter. Compressor electric cooler app control. Number 2. R2 dash. 4K dual dash. Cam front and rear free 128GB card. Included 5G Wi-Fi. Number 1. 85 plus pounds, strongest suction and military grade ultimate car phone mount. Hey there! Got a suggestion for my next video? Drop it in the comments. Your ideas drive this channel. See you in the comments.
Stay updated on Amazon's best automotive products and viral finds. Click subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on our latest video.